Are you ready for Three Idiots 2 and Munna Bhai 3? Vidhu Vinod Chopra confirms the sequels are coming. Just when you thought the stories of Rancho, Raju, Farhan, Munna and Circuit were over, Vidhu Vinod Chopra has stunned fans by confirming that Two Idiots and Munna Bhai 3 are officially in development. The filmmaker dropped this bombshell while promoting his latest project, Zero Se Start, reigniting excitement for two of Bollywood's most iconic franchises. A sequel surprise fans didn't see coming. In an exclusive chat with Dainik Bhaskar, Chopra revealed he is working simultaneously on the scripts for both films. I am currently writing Two Idiots and Munna Bhai 3, he shared. At the same time, I am developing a children's film in a horror comedy. Writing takes time, 1 to 2 years. But the possibility of these sequels is now very real. This announcement comes after years of speculation, finally confirming the return of characters who left a lasting impact on Indian cinema. Fans can hardly contain their excitement as they wonder what new adventures await. Why the long wait? Chopra confessed he had every opportunity to cash in on the success of his previous films but chose not to. I could have made multiple sequels and made a lot of money, he said. But I wouldn't have enjoyed it if the film didn't live up their potential. I didn't want to compromise my conscience just to mint money. This commitment to quality over quick profits has fueled anticipation for the upcoming projects. As fans knew, they are in for something exceptional. What can fans expect? Well, Two Idiots explore the lives of Rancho and friends as they navigate adulthood's chaos, while Munna and Circuit's hinges take on a new dimension in Munna Bhai 3. While Chopra has kept the details under wraps, his track record suggests we can expect nothing short of magic on screen. Beyond the sequels, Zero Se Start. Chopra's latest release, Zero Se Start, offers an intimate behind-the-scenes look at the making of 12 Feet. The sleeper hit, based on real-life officers IPS Manoj Kumar Sharma and IRS Shraddha Joshi, became a beacon of inspiration for audiences. With Zero Se Start now in theaters, fans can also explore the filmmaker's creative journey up close. The wait begins. Chopra's bombshell announcement has sparked a frenzy among fans and the film industry. As the scripts take shape, one thing is certain: these sequels will not only live up to their legendary status, but also redefine what it means to craft a meaningful, impactful cinema. So, are you ready to unite with Rancho, Munna, Circuit, and the gang? Let the countdown begin.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.